Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I kind of figured I would just take it back old school YouTube style in terms of my makeup tutorial for today. I just wanted to sit down here and just actually put some old makeup that was in my collection and just take it back the old school way as far as how we used to film videos back in the day, where it was pretty much no talking, just us applying the makeup, you guys just watching, the music playing. And I kind of figured, you know, old makeup in my collection slash old tube YouTube way. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please try to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, rate, and of course subscribe to my channel. And if you guys want to see how creative this makeup look right here, then of course let's get started.
You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. My heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby?
the talk, not at the end of the tunnel. The one is out of the house, try to show no change, try to look at the sauce. They try to talk that shit, they will know it can't be slept. What's going on here? What's going on right now? What is the problem? Tell me your problem. I said a lot, girl, can't be with mine. Always been on what and I feel. I said the lines up, but not the tough shit. Can't waste any time now. Can't waste any time now. What's going on here? What's going on right now? What is the problem? Tell me the problem. I said a lot, girl, you can't be with mine. Always been on one and I feel. I saw the lines up, run out of time, shit. Can't waste any time now. Can't waste any time now. You can tell me anything you want, I'll forget about it. Tell me what you want, anything, I'll do less about it. I can't tell what happened last night. Did I act right? Never can we sleep, never can we sleep, never can we sleep, never can we sleep. I can't tell what happened last night. Did I act right? I can't tell what happened last night. Did I act Never gets me slept, never gets me slept, never gets me slept, never gets me slept.
Girl, I want it all. I can't get enough of your love, I swear. It's my drug. And every time I hit it, you take me there. Calling out my name, knowing anybody else don't compare. It's good love. Do it like we don't care. Touch you with the tongue, girl, I'm tryna get you open. Good love, we ain't going through the motion. She gon' run it like she gave me a token. I'ma stroke good till my knees need lotion. Hands so soft, kinda hard to stay focused. Love with a real nigga swimming in your ocean. Never too soon, but you already know it. Riding like a pony, baby, cruising control. Slow motion, slow motion. We can take our time, baby. Slow motion, slow motion. I'ma lick, I'ma kiss, I'ma stroke till you go crazy. In slow motion. Girl, I want them drugs. Know my name and tell me, but girl, I swear it's my job to make it so no other nigga can't compare. Oh, we don't mind. We slapping on your ass and pulling your hair. Still my mind. We can do it anywhere. Lick it with the wrist, then you hit me with the potion. Fiji water got a nigga wide open. You the shit, baby girl, I ain't joking. She know what she doing, she don't need no coach. Sex so good, got her all in her emotions. Love when a real nigga swimming in your ocean. Never too soon, but you already know it. Riding like a pony, baby, cruising control. Slow motion, slow motion, slow motion. We can take our time, baby. Slow motion, slow motion. Ooh, I'ma kiss, I'ma stroke till you go crazy. In slow motion, slow motion. Girl, I want it all. I can't get enough of your love, I swear. It's my drug. And every time I hit it, you take me there. Calling out my name, knowing anybody else don't compare. It's good love. Do it like we don't care. Touch you with that tongue, girl, I'm tryna get you open. Good love, we ain't going through the motion. She gon' run it like she gave me a token. I'ma stroke good till my knees need lotion. And so soft, kinda hard to stay focused. Love when a real nigga swimming in your ocean. Never too soon, but you already know it. Riding like a pony, baby, cruising control. Slow motion. We can take our time.